Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ears of corn using several popular methods. First, let's talk about boiling. To begin, select fresh corn with vibrant green husks and plump kernels. Carefully remove all the husks and silk from each ear. Bring a large pot of water to a vigorous, rolling boil. For an extra touch of sweetness, you can add about 1 teaspoon of sugar to the boiling water. Once the water is ready, gently add your prepared corn. Next up, grilling corn on the cob, a fantastic way to add a smoky flavor. Start by preheating your grill to a medium-high temperature, around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the grill heats, brush each ear of corn with a light coating of olive oil or melted butter. This helps prevent sticking and adds to the flavor. Place the corn directly on the hot grates and grill for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning them frequently to ensure even cooking and a beautiful char. If you prefer a hands-off approach, roasting corn in the oven is a wonderful option. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can roast the corn with or without the husks. For this method, we'll assume husked corn. Simply place the prepared ears directly onto a baking sheet. Roast them for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, making sure to turn them halfway through the cooking time. The kernels should become tender and develop a lovely, slightly caramelized appearance, indicating they are perfectly cooked. Finally, let's explore some delicious ways to serve your freshly cooked corn. It's always best to enjoy corn immediately after it's prepared to savor its peak flavor and sweetness. The classic combination of melted butter, a sprinkle of salt, and freshly ground black pepper is always a winner. For a more adventurous twist, try a squeeze of fresh lime juice with a dash of chili powder. Freshly chopped herbs, such as cilantro or parsley, also add a bright, refreshing element to your corn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.